Welcome back to the last part of 12. Question 12c is hard to. It's challenging. Used to distinguish whether you got a 6 or got a 7 in the final grade. But we can get a 7, right? Because we know how to do it. We can conquer it, okay? Look at here, it said that we need to be careful. A divergent lens, okay? Diverging lens combined with to form a virtual image of a distant object. Okay, the focal point of the converging lens and the focal point of the diverging lens coincide. Okay, coincide. Okay. The diagram shows two lights from the distant object. So this is from the distant object, right? Sorry, got the wrong one. Okay, this one is from the distant object. Okay, I know it. Okay, and then and the formation of the intermediate image. Okay, so this is the intermediate one. So the light ray, it seems it's come from these two lights come from the imaginary virtual intermediate image and going to the diverging lens, and then construct two other ways to show that the final image just show upright, erect is okay. So think about these two light rays when they pass through the diverging lens, what will happen to them? And they will form an upright in a virtual final image at this side. Okay, so it is a start. Okay, one is easy, one is hard. Okay, for this one, okay, it passed through the focus. Remember diverging lens, so pass through focus parallel out. Okay, so we'll go parallel out, right? Easy. And then for this one, okay, this night ray is diverging, moving away from the principal axis, and I know diverging lens will diverge, but diverging to what? Okay, remember parallel in diverge from the focus. Now you are even more diverging already, so it has to diverging more closer to the diverging lens. It should be like this. Okay, got it. So we got these two, and then we have to draw the broken lines. Okay, arrow, and then draw the broken line at the back. Broken line to the back, extend the backward extraporation, and then they will join here, and then virtual image upright. Okay, and then label for it. No, final image. So you say this is the final image because they don't have any symbol. But you have to make sure the marker understand what you're talking about. So good presentation is essential. So that's it. It is really hard. We never saw it in the textbook. We always have two converging lens, right? But it's quite funny. You do it step by step using your knowledge of diverging lens, the three rules, compare them, and you can do it. Well done.